everyone, welcome back again. Today I am going to show you a popular Persian dish which is very easy to prepare and very tasty to eat. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. First, let's marinate the fish. For that, I am using 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and add enough salt into it. As we are preparing the Persian dish, there is no need to add more spices. Now squeeze half of the lemon juice and give it a good mix. Add water into it and mix it well till you get thick consistency. First, give a good gashes to the fish and marinate each fish very well. Fill inside of all gashes and inside the fish also. The ingredients I have shown in this video is only for the 2 fishes. If you are taking more than 2, then increase the quantity of the ingredients. Now let's keep this in a refrigerator for about half an hour, or more the better. Now let's move to prepare the rice. Here I have already soaked the rice. I am taking 2 glasses of rice. And for this recipe we need to take basmati rice. Then we need the potato slices, thinly sliced potatoes. Now add some salt on it and keep it aside. Now add 5 to 6 glasses of water. Add enough salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and allow it to boil. When the water comes to boil, add the rice and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Now the rice is 3/4 done. Let's drain the water in a colander or a strainer. Now switch on the flame. Coat the bottom of your pot with the olive oil. I am using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now spread the sliced potatoes for the crust. Turn the heat on medium-high during this step. This will help the potatoes to start crisp up. Now layer the drained rice back into the pot. Do not dump in all in. You want there to be air pockets for steaming. Now drizzle in 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can also use olive oil. Now cover with the foil paper and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, take some saffron threads in a mortar or in a pestle. Now let's crush this and add in bit of hot water. Now let's fry the fish. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and fry the fish as we are normally frying. You can check the above iCard for the fish fry recipe. Now let's prepare the yogurt or a raitha. For this I have taken 1 cucumber chopped finely and some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Finely chop it, and half of 1 onion, that also finely chop. Now transfer this into a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of yogurt, that is Greek yogurt. For this recipe we need to add the Greek yogurt. Now give it a good mix. Let's add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and enough salt. Mix it well. The raitha is ready to serve. Now let's open the rice. It's completely, perfectly cooked. You can see here. Now scoop out the top part of the rice and mix it with the saffron water. Now layer the rice in a serving plate. You can see the potatoes, how well crusted is this, and on the top spread this mixed rice, and on the side arrange the potatoes. So that's it friends, a popular Persian dish is ready. Do try and put your comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.